Yeah, yeah, even this, right? Or that side.
Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today we're taking a closer look at the iconic Porsche 911 Carrera, a masterpiece of engineering and a legacy of innovation and speed. Let's dive in and explore the design, features and specs that make this car so special. Starting with the front, the LED matrix headlights, a technological marvel that provides exceptional lighting and style. With its precise beam control and adaptive lighting functions, these headlights are a game changer. And look at the front bumper, with its aggressive design and functional air intakes. These intakes help to cool the engine and brakes, ensuring that the car performs at its best. The car rides on 20-inch 10-spoke alloy wheels up front and 21-inch at the rear, designed to be lightweight and durable, and they're wrapped in high-performance Michelin tires for razor-sharp handling and grip. As the lines flow from the front to the rear, it's clear that this 911 is a masterclass in cohesive design and athletic proportions, capped off by the full-width taillight that stretches across the rear. The rear bumper features distinctive air vents, single-tip exhaust outlets that actually hide dual pipes underneath, and a prominent diffuser that enhances aerodynamics and performance. This car's got a 3-liter twin-turbo flat 6 pushing 380 horsepower and 450 newton meters of torque.
The rear wing.
And watch as the active aerodynamics kick in. The rear wing deploys, providing additional downforce and stability at higher speeds. This is a car that's designed to deliver exceptional performance whether on the road or on the track. And with the rear wing in action, the 911 transforms from subtle to aggressive, showcasing its performance pedigree. Stepping inside, you're surrounded by luxury and precision. The interior features premium leather carefully crafted to provide a luxurious and sporty feel. Every surface is designed to provide a tactile experience that's both refined and dynamic. The seats are designed to provide both comfort and support, with adjustable bolsters and a range of settings to suit your driving style. Whether you're on a long road trip or pushing the car to its limit, the seats will keep you comfortable and engaged. The steering wheel is the focal point of the interior, with a sporty design and intuitive controls. The wheel is perfectly balanced, providing a direct connection to the road and car's dynamic. The instrument cluster is a blend of analog and digital technology, providing a wealth of information and a unique visual experience. The infotainment system is intuitive and feature-rich, with a range of functions and settings to customize your driving experience. The center console is designed to be driver-focused with controls and displays that are easy to use and understand.
I like the color contrast of the outside to the inside, eh? Nice.
Well, you know, when you're having a new one built for you, you have to make sure you get it what you want.
Yeah, true. It's different from just
I'm
going.
65 now, so I won't have another one. This will be my last Porsche.
Yeah, you got others. You got
I've always
other.
had Porsche since I was 20.
Oh, right.
I'm very lucky. I had a 356 very early on, and I've had them all.
Alright.
I even bought Elton John's turbo off it.
Oh, is it?
In the 80s, yeah.
Alright.
Right, can I go? You done?
Yeah, all done.
What channel do I see it on?
It's on. Thank you.
And that's the Porsche 911 Carrera, a driver's car with iconic design and track-bred performance, a bold spec and color choice. This car competes with the new AMG GT43, another force to be reckoned with. Given the option, what's your pick? The 911 or the AMG? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.